Hey, welcome back. So, today, which is 5th of January at 6 p.m., Simple Energy just showcased or launched their Simple ONE Gen2. Now, you all might have watched the launch. Even I watched it completely for an hour. And this video, I will tell you what all changes they have made for the Gen 2 in the Simple ONE. So let's begin. So starting from the front, the overall looks of the bike is exactly same, almost same, 90% to the Gen 1 and Gen 1.5. Only few minor here and there changes on the looks. So beginning at the top, they've changed this part. Okay, they've redesigned it with some aero functional vents over here. Earlier it was down over here, now it's on top. Then over to the wing mirrors or the mirrors, they are completely redesigned. Coming down here to the DRLs, the DRLs are same, only there is some decals over here if you see. Then moving down, rest body is same. Now they have changed the Simple logo. Here we had Simple lettering, now they have put the S logo. Headlight remains the same, indicators remain the same, these wings remain the same. Coming down, the Simple ONE badge is again changed. The font is changed completely. Now lowering the tires, the fork, everything remains the same. The major change is in the battery. They have introduced 3 variants now. One is the 3.7 kilowatt hour, then it is 4.5 kilowatt hour, and the larger battery which is at 5 kilowatt hour. Now the range, IDC range in each of these is 190 in 3.7, then it is 236 in 4.5 and 268 kilometers in the 5 kilowatt hour. Whereas in the 1.5 Gen 1.5 it was 250 kilometers. Now the main thing in the Gen 1.5 and Gen 1, we had a split battery, which is one in the floor, the other one was in the boot. Now they have completely eliminated this battery. It's a single unit which is in the floor, no boot battery. Since we are over this part, the next changed part is the dashboard. This section is completely revamped. Okay, you can see in the images. The switches are new. We have got a new joystick over here. We have got new buttons over here. We have got hazard button. We have got a reverse and cruise control too. Then coming down over here, this body panel has been again revised. So we have got new charging points. The USB socket which was inside is now moved next to the key. This we have got some storage space over here too. Coming to the seat, here they have done some changes. They have reduced the seat height around 16 mm so that it can cooperate, all types of riders can ride the Simple ONE. Here they have done some visual graphics, new visual graphics. Inside the boot, since there is no portable battery, the storage space is now 35 liters. The rest all remains the same. Coming to the rear, they've introduced 2 new colors. One which is a grey which looks very aesthetic, and another one is in the dual tone which they call it as Asphalt X. That one also looks good. It is sort of dark navy blue with some orange on these black panels, which as we saw in the Light X and Brazen X. At the rear there is no change. The power figures remain the same with more range. Rest all remains the same. Then we come to the software. Now you all knew that earlier we had Simple or Super Stack. The OS version was called as Super Stack. Now it is completely changed to Simple OS, and the UI is completely changed. Trust me on that. I will add few images of the UI. It's completely different. Being a Simple Gen 1.5 owner, I just hope I am asking Simple Energy to give the Gen 2 software update to the existing Simple One and Simple 1.5 owners. Even send us the new Simple Connect app update, because in the previous shots you might have seen that that the app has been is in the progress of updating, and they've said there will be new functions. I hope, fingers crossed, Simple Energy, please give us that update, because the current Simple One owners will understand this frustration of ours. Hopefully, if y'all are ready to exchange this scooter for the Gen 2, I am ready to give my bike. The Simple One Gen 2 mobile app has massive software updates. One, they have unlocked almost each and every possible features which we as owners wanted. They've got the hill hold, they've got the geofencing, they've got live updates. The app looks very mature, whereas the old app didn't look, and everyone just criticized it. Then we've got live updates. You can just ping your scooter from the app. Then there are number of updates. It's just too mature. Like even the UI on the scooter is fabulous. So this was a quick video about the Simple One Gen 2. So I'm just praying to Simple Energy that please push this Simple OS update to the existing Simple One owners, please, because as this so for me, I just bought it in August 2025, and it's not even 5 months when got this update, and it's really cool. The features are really good. Simple One owners will agree. There are few of my fellow subscribers who have watched my video and bought the one. Even they will understand this pain. And I was talking to my fellow subscriber just when the one was launching. This update is just superb. Even he also bought it like the same time in August. He is also super regretting. So I hope, please Simple, just pass this update to us, please. Thank you, and hope this video was informative. Hope you liked this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay notified by hitting the bell icon. Till then, we will see you in the next one.